hair is okay? Okay, whatever. So today we are in the opposite to walking street, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. So this place is really amazing. If you want to hang out with your friends, doesn't matter from where you are foreigner or you are from originally Vietnam, but this place is amazing. Lots of people are here compared to walking street. Walking street is a little bit smaller, but this place exactly the name I don't know at all. But I will mark the location under the video. Share, like, follow. If you want to like this more videos, why you don't comment? So the main thing here, lots of couples, family members, they are coming for eating some nice food around the restaurants and having some fun because weather is good, amazing. So if you don't mind, please show around and let the people see. All right. As you see, everybody makes a content video, and mostly most people are here, like couples. As you see, left, right. So this place is really amazing. I advise you guys to come and visit the free time. Today it's Sunday, so I had a time to go around and make some content. Alright, bye bye. See you guys again. Goodbye. Don't forget to follow this